Hello everyone, this is Vistra from Paper Seasoning, and today I want to share with you this new style of journal cover that I have decided to try to make. And what it is that it has a band for closure, and this is just a cover. It's a hardcover, just like a book, and I have two pockets on the inside, and the band's here. And over here, this is where that part goes around the front, but it also can hold whatever's in the pocket. So if you put something in the pocket, this was kind of hold it down, I suppose, and you just fold it over like this. Let me see if I can get that crinkle out of it though. Okay. And you can feel it, and as you feel it, like, it will expand like so. So it's enough room for expansion there. Give you a look at it. And I made another one, and here I put a little folder pocket so you could like slip your papers in that way, and this band could hold it down, act as a holder, and a pocket up front as well, and then you get those two. Now this is the first time I'm trying these out, and so they will be in my Etsy shop, so please go there if you would like, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.